You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to create a polyname on your iPhone with iOS 26. Open the Messages app and start a new conversation or select an existing group chat where you want to add the poll. Tap the plus icon next to the text input field to open the Apps menu. In the Apps menu, tap on the icon for the App Store. Then in the search bar at the top, type polls for iMessage and download a free polling app like Simple Poll. Once installed, the app will appear in your iMessage app drawer. Tap its icon to open it within the chat. The polling app will load. Here you can type your poll question in the designated field. Below the question, add the different answer choices for people to vote on, typically by tapping an option to add choice. You can usually customize settings like allowing multiple answers or setting a time limit. When your poll is ready, tap the send button, which looks like an upward arrow. The poll will be sent as a special interactive message into the chat. Everyone in the conversation can then tap directly on the answer choices within the message bubble to cast their vote, and results update in real time. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.